Hello everyone. Let's continue with the new topic, that is Python for kids. Python is a programming language. Python is a very powerful, easy to read, high level programming language. This means commands is very easy to read like English words, and this makes kids to learn Python without a lot of experience. Learning Python is becoming more and more popular. Programming languages are simply a special way of giving computers sets of instructions to computer. So Python will work in the same way like sets of instructions given to computer in order to perform the whatever task you want to do, like preparing games, calculation and so on. It is also used to develop software and apps in a variety of settings. Many computer programmers enjoy using Python because it is easy to read and beginners can easily accessible. Is Python easy to learn? Yes! The commands and syntax, that is rules, in Python are relatively simple compared to some other programming languages. This makes Python for kids easy to start with no prior coding experience. Python is a programming language that provides real skills for the future. So be excited to enter in the world of Python. I hope you will be waiting to learn these new skills and excited to run your first program in Python. So don't waste your time. Let's connect it to learn more about Python.